Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the mobile network not available issue on Android. This issue occurs when the phone cannot detect the mobile network, often due to SIM, network, or software problems. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the system. If needed, remove the SIM card, clean it, and reinsert it properly. Next, go to Settings, then Mobile Network, and make sure the correct network mode is selected. Try manually selecting your network operator by going to Network Operator, searching for networks, and choosing your carrier. If the issue continues, reset network settings by going to About Phone, then Reset and resetting mobile network settings. Also, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Additionally, check for a software update and install it if an update is available. If none of these steps work, contact your carrier for further assistance. That's it. We just learned how to troubleshoot the mobile network not available issue by checking SIM placement, selecting the correct network operator, and resetting network settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.